Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with IDShield. Review My Usage Experience. IDShield Review My Usage Experience offers identity theft protection services. It's designed for individuals concerned about protecting their personal information from fraud and identity theft. Key features likely include credit monitoring, fraud alerts, and identity restoration services. Their website provides details on specific coverage options. Their website details various subscription tiers, highlighting features and pricing. They emphasize ease of use and 24/7 access to their services. They claim to offer comprehensive protection and transparent pricing with no hidden fees, although specific details vary depending on the chosen plan. Availability is nationwide. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using IDShield. Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was straightforward, and I was able to set up my account and link my credit reports within minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed my credit scores, recent alerts, and a summary of my protected information. I particularly appreciated the clear and concise alerts. They weren't overwhelming, and they clearly explained the potential risks. The speed and reliability of the system were excellent. I received alerts promptly. I even had a question about a specific alert, and their customer support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a satisfactory explanation. I was really impressed by how quickly I was able to access all my information and how easy it was to understand the reports. One minor drawback was the slightly cluttered appearance of the advanced settings. It took me a little while to get used to finding specific features. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with IDShield. It provided me with peace of mind knowing I have a reliable system monitoring my credit and alerting me to potential threats. That's my overview of IDShield. Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.